Welcome to another episode and video on my driving robot Mydfir, which is being controlled by radio frequency and programmed in Python using line following sensor, sonar and color recognition. And it is supposed to via sonar detect objects, and if you have seen the last episode, then you have probably noticed things are not going, not always going as planned. So, although with the change algorithm, things have to be tested again and again. So with this distance, about 20 centimeters estimate, let's see whatever happens. And yeah, well, that is not what is supposed to happen, because it should encounter the object, drive a little bit backwards, and that is about it. So, looking at the screen output, it approaches, but also then the distance says 1 meter, and I can't believe that. So let's view the data, and it says alright, the sonar before starting is nothing. Then a red lamp is 4 times. Well, that I could see. But then distance on the one side is unreliable. Then a buzzer goes 1 time. That I've heard as well, and then the color says red. That I don't think so, because the color red is there and there, not here, unless it intends to do this, but even then. But where is the color sensor? That is a good question. So let's take the robot for a moment and review it. And then the color sensor is right here. And from the center, which is here, it is about this. And that is right. Let's see how this is about. So it's about this, and that even might just be. But is it really? Time to figure out using a measure tool. So let's grab one, because this is getting interesting. So, measuring from the exact center, we have a measuring of, let's say, 5 centimeters from the exact middle. Oh, that's not going to work out. No, here it shines, This is the exact middle. And if I put it here, like exactly here, measuring 5, it comes here. So it cannot have detected this red. That is impossible. Nice to know. So where it did get its color red is kind of a mystery. So we're looking for another color. And then it says color green. Well, of course the color green is here, not here. This is blue, although color value wise it may be possible. And well, this is at the same distance, even further away from the line. So this blue cannot be accountable. What next? Any more colors? Well, color green. Twice the buzzer. Heard that one. And again red. Green and then blue. Lots of red. But as said, I don't believe that. So let's do it again. Running it. Mind the lamp. It says something is detected at 35 centimeters. So this is 35 centimeters. Oh, that's quite accurate actually. And this as well. Yeah, but why doesn't it do anything? So it very accurately detects them. Yeah, no doubt about it. Well, accurately, okay, between 35 and 40. 39. So let me put it like this. And yes, of course the camera is present as well. So let me change the position of the exact holding of the camera, and then I should do like this. Maybe that matters, who knows. And let's get on with it. Starting the program again. Now the camera tripod is exactly along with the floor map. So who knows what that gives. It says it turns slowly to the left. Now it does. Ooh! That is a big difference in timing. Let's do it again. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that wasn't good. Ending at 27. This is 27. Yeah, well, that's alright. And 30. Yeah, alright. Both, well, the base of the tripod, or the tripod itself, and this one. Which is not what I want to see, but there's no action being taken then. Action is closer than 5. How to go on? Good question.
Alright, so where are we? Daylight almost interfering with the shadow side, but since we haven't got any further with those objects, let's let it be that. Then the data says it things present at 109. Well, okay, so be it. Let's just run. First of all, diminish this and move this quietly over there so we can see something. Oh yeah, in the last run, this run, it went off the track. So I'm going to put it over here. And run it. It's now in the middle of the track, and I hear the motor going. The question is if the motor is having power enough. No, this is not good, so cancel. Right, let's do it again. And I'm afraid the power is not what it should be. It shows a lot, but what does it show anyway? Data. It says 30 centimeters, 29. Well, alright. 30 centimeters, that's a bit more, but I'm okay with that. Is it 30 and 39? Well, this is 39, so let's go. Yeah, I don't think so. That's a false positive. Any colors detected? Blue. Impossible. But then it says anders, which is different. Means different in English. Oh, here. 1021. Yeah, we ignore. Blue. Red. Red. Blue. Different. Oh, come on. Different. Blue. Yeah. No. Okay. I have to do a different strategy. This leads to nothing. Ignore all the colors, just go for the line and sonar. So I'm putting it right here, objects here, which is at, that won't be much, but it still is, it still is 8 centimeters. This one is further away, at the closest, almost, yeah, well, let's say 18 centimeters. And 18 centimeters is 7 inches. So, let's do that. See whatever this gives. if it gives anything at all. This isn't good. Yeah, this is a good reaction. That was one good reaction. That was once a good reaction. Let's put it like this, and then as one. Alright, and of course I have a lot to do because, or a lot to go through, but I can also do it a little bit different because it said it drove backwards a bit, and driving backwards says reaction O. That is very inconsistent. They mean the same, different language. Reactie is Dutch, reaction is English. Let's keep it this way, but in the meantime, in here I have to find for reaction. So let's for now find reaction, yes. And it had it twice, which is very, very good. So but what is the distance? 12 centimeters and 2 centimeters. And they have both a reaction, and here we get the exact reason. Although it doesn't make sense. If smaller than 2, if larger than 2 but smaller than 5, then give that reaction. Look at this. 12 and 2. Well, 12 is a lot larger than 5, and 2 is 2, not larger than 2. This is between one and the other. Unless this is a wrong way to do it. And in that case, I actually should write what the actual distance is. So I should actually put oh wait, yeah, that is what I'm going to do. Very good. So here I will print on I will print on screen and I will have to write this into as one, yes, after reaction. See, that is good, but I will also have to say here prior to reaction, if there's any, and that I'm not doing yet. So that's the point. So I have to add a distance writing on screen and in the data file, and then things may just get better. May. Alright, so nope. This is the new code. before reaction and after reaction for D2. The same goes for D1. This is the setup which I still have to set for the current situation. Let's keep it like this in a nice distance. So this is now 12 centimeters, and this is about the same. No crazy stuff, I hope. So let's do something and limit the view. What happens? There it goes. Yeah, right. So much for a reaction. Ouch. When you expect something to happen and it doesn't. How difficult can life be? Alright. Again, it's not exactly in the middle of the track. Now it is. Let's go. Yeah, come on. It pushes it away. Why does it push it away? 118.73. I am searching for these 4 letters. Okay, so it did react. The last time here it did react. I just didn't see anything. That is interesting. So, once again, rear. Never mind. What happens? Do I actually see a reaction? I should. No, don't go slowly left. I want you to detect it. No line? How is that possible? It is right in the middle of the line. So this is simply not possible. Go. Yes, please. Alright. And then what? What do you do? Nothing. Right. Is there any reaction? None. Yeah, I did hear the buzzer. One, two, three, four. So that is correct. I did it. I did hear it. But why no reaction? Okay, let's put it like this. I don't mind. It's 3D cone, so it should see it anyway. Um, 3D cone here, 3D cone there, so okay, let's see whatever happens now. Slowly left again, and it's stuck behind the object, but again no reaction. This is going to be irritating. I want reaction. So I put it here. I put the robot right here in the middle of the line. Approximately, let's measure. Approximately 10 centimeters. And it is within this that it should respond. Well, if it drives, how fast can it be there? Very fast. Let's go. No, let's go. Yep, now it's there. Never mind. Okay. Yep. But point is, what I want to see as well is that it drives backwards. And that I did not see. It should go like this for a short moment. And that didn't happen. And oh, by the way, S2 before reaction is 11, S2 after reaction is also 11. So where is S1 before reaction? Is there any other? Nope, not found. Okay. So this is all. Something I don't particularly like. Why doesn't it do it all the time? Why doesn't it detect it all the time between 2 and 5, and why doesn't it give reaction always? Weird.
Right, last part of this episode. With this data, not depending on any light that you now see creeping forward towards the robot, and it's not consistent at all, as you have seen. So how to do this? Well, thankfully I record the data, although it's mostly overwritten as well. But at least now I know that the treatment of the data is not consistent at all. That has to be changed somehow, but that's part of the algorithm. And that is for next time. More research is needed how to deal with things. At least it doesn't come up with fake objects. Well, not always at least. It loses the line too much, too many times. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, always appreciated. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. And by the way, the messages are not exactly the same. Twitter, just a short description, and with Instagram, a combination of pictures I take. But that's Instagram. That's why Instagram is for. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. Much appreciated. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. Either on my website or on my website and with my video, depending on the pledge you make. And this is going to be continued. Once again, thanks for watching and goodbye.